Hello. Okay, I think it's working now. Okay, let me just delete this before I start explaining. So here we are. This is just the task table. What we have here is the pay. The task. This is the task table itself. First 300, 7%. Next 300, 11%. Next 500, 15%. Next 500, 19%. Next 1,600, 1.6 million, 21%. Then these amounts above, anything above 3.2 million next will be calculated at this rate. 3.2 million at this rate. Okay, so first is the gross income which you have here. The gross income is just your total salary for the year, and your total salary for the year will be your monthly salary times 12. Coming down to the next, which is the relief. Let me add something here, then number them. Here being 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, here 5, here 6, and finally 7. Okay, 7 points of discussion. So number 1, the gross income, which I've talked about. Relief. Relief are what the government expects you or wants you to take away from your salary for your personal use, and it's calculated as 200,000 naira plus 20% of your gross income. That is 200,000 naira, as I've written here, plus 20% of your gross income, which is this. 20% of 3 million is 600,000, plus the 200,000 give us this 800,000 here. Then exemptions. The exemptions are just expenses you make that the law recognizes and does not charge you tax on them. That is, whatever expenses you incur on these 3 items, you are allowed to remove them from your gross income before you pay your tax. Number 1 of it is your pension. Your pension is just 8% of your basic allowance, your basic salary, transport allowance, and housing allowance. Usually every salary, that is just one single amount, is distributed into different categories, which can be usually basic salary, transport allowance, housing allowance, feeding, entertainment, and a whole lot of them. Now what it says here is, take your basic salary, take your transport allowance, then take your housing allowances. 8% of it is your pension contributable, which is this, what a bit here. Then NHF, National Housing Fund, is just 2% of your basic salary for the year, just 2%. Now if you have any life insurance that you are paying premium on every month or maybe every year, you are also allowed to remove it. Upon this, the number 4 point is total relief and allowances. The total relief and allowances is just summation of all this, that is, add up all allowance and reliefs to give you this. Then taxable income. The taxable income is your gross profit, your gross income, remove all allowances and exemptions, will give you your taxable income. That is, taxable income is gross income less allowances, will give you your taxable income. It is this taxable income that we will now charge all this percentage on to know how much a person is expected to pay as tax annually. Now back to the tax table, which is to start with before applying this amount here. This one in yellow and red here, I did it in a way that any amount we've taken to apply, by the time we apply this amount, the first step this one will continue to reduce until it is new. It is when it is new then we will stop applying all this. So let's start. Tax table says first 300,000. So let's take this 300,000 here at 7% will give us this. Now as you can see, this one is what is remaining after we've applied the first 300,000. Next they say 300,000 again. We take this 300,000, then put it here at 11%. Next is 500,000. Now one question we ask yourself at this point is, do we have up to 500,000 naira left? Yes, we have more than 500,000. So we take the 500,000, then put it here. Next they say is 500,000. Do we still have up to 500,000 naira left? Yes, we have more. So we'll take the 500,000, then apply it here at 19%, which is this. Next, the tax table says 1.6 million, but what we have left in the taxable income is not up to 1.6 million. So what we will do at this point is, since it's not up to the amount they stated, whatever that is left here is what we will take and apply next. Now, assuming this amount here, okay, let's just take this amount, then put it here, 378,000. Add this. Now we can see we don't have anything left again in our taxable income, as if you calculate everything here, you can see that it's the same amount as what we have as our taxable income. So add up all this here, 7% of this, 11% of this, 15% of this, 19% of this, 21% of this. Add up everything, it will give us our taxable income for the year. Annual tax payable is how much you are expected to pay as tax at the end of each year. Now, to know how much you will remit to the tax authority at the end of each month, we'll take this one, which is the annual tax, the tax for the total tax for the year, divided by 12. Then we'll arrive at this. This is what we'll pay to the tax authority at the end of every month, and this is the same amount we will remove from the salary at the end of every month as tax. Thank you.